Speaking of things that Apple's working on, here we have some leaked images showing the new AirPods 3 with in-ear design and a smaller case, which is quite surprising because the case is already quite small to begin with. These look to be taking their design cues from the Pro model, AirPods Pro. As I'm sure you can tell here, the shape of it changed. The stem got a lot shorter. It's less of a, what did they call it? A toothbrush? Less of a toothbrush look to it.
Sure.
The head of a toothbrush. Also interchangeable ear tips, which look to have a kind of a funny way of fitting on there. Just a tiny little ridge, which I guess clips into there. It looks to me that you will be able to use it without any ear tip attached at all, which I kind of like for convenience as well. If you're more of a casual listener, you want to enhance the sound, you attach the ear tip. That's my speculation on that. What else did they mention here? Apparently, you're going to have a price point around $150 and a release date in March 2021. Is that like this March? That's this March. Yeah. That's very, very soon. We're talking about next month. In terms of features as well, the AirPods 3 are supposed to pack in spatial audio, which was a feature that cost you a lot more currently. If you have to pick up the Pro or the Max, God forbid, you're spending, what do the Pros start at? Obviously the Max is like $550. AirPods Pro probably $300, although they were going on sale more frequently recently at $219. So this is going to be the cheapest entry into spatial audio, which is that really cool functionality in the movies and things like that. However, apparently these AirPods 3 will not feature active noise cancellation or transparency mode. That'll be reserved for the Pro model. I guess they got to keep some things for the Pro model. And yeah, so Apple lists them as $249, the AirPods Pro, but you can find them easily. They're on sale a lot more these days, $219 on Amazon, as you can see right there. So, Well, what is Best Buy? Best Buy's listing, those are the regular AirPods. Anyway, check Amazon. Save some money if you're going to buy the Pros.